Spirituality has been in this land part of our existence. As per India's philosophical basis, which is based on the Shad Darshanas, of which the Vaisheshika Darshana on which Ayurveda is based. Time is understood in a circular form, mode, not in linear. There is no starting, no end. And all activities, the performing arts, the fine arts, and the daily routine, everything is knitted, connected, and assimilated with spirituality. One of the basic principles in Ayurveda is we have to have a balance with the phenomenal world and the world beyond. It says that dharma, artha, kama, mokshanam, arogyam, moolam, uttamam, rogaha, tasya, abhartarha, shreyaso, jivadasya ja. It doesn't limit our existence to mere the objective world or world of our observed area. It goes beyond. Shreyas and prayas has always been the objective of human life in India. When we define the substances, Prithvi, Ap, Tejas, Vayu, Akasha, we didn't end at Akasha, at phenomenal world alone. It went beyond. Prithvi, Ap, Tejo, Vayu, Akasha, Kala, Dik, Atma, Manamsi. Time, space, soul and mind. So when you conjugate these two spectrum of existence, subtle and gross, we understand the connectivity of human life. What is the evolution and how we go beyond these physical barriers which stand very vividly in front of us. The breaking that barrier and being one with the cosmos is always been an effort of India's civilization. All the Rishis have been a scientist. The Kanada, the great physicist of yore, has given us an example of how a intellectual can be a spiritual master too. So all these sciences in that way has been embedded with spirituality. We can never divide spirituality from other aspects of life. Health is not an exemption. Health also is part of spirituality. In Ayurveda, all over the places, whenever we treat body, mind, and soul together. We always talk about the need of lifestyle changes, which is not limited to your physical, physiological condition, but on psychological and spiritual aspects. I think that is important for us. And India is probably the only country which has got more than 5,000 years of unbroken history. When I say more than 5,000 years, we do not know how long it was, because there is a written proof as on today with us. So with this rich heritage, which we never took it as a sacrosanct, every time we have been a critic. Our intellectuals have been always a critic of everything. And that by that positive criticism, so many good things evolved. That's why we have got Shad Darshanas, not one Darshanas. So this is the point I want as a seekers of knowledge to get into and understand. And always our gurus say, never take everything as sacrosanct. Tad vidhi pranipadena pariprashnena bhujya. Whenever we asked to surrender after getting convinced, that conviction takes place by experience. This is the path of India, this is the path of our tradition, this is the path of our culture, this is our civilization. I hope this civilization can lead 21st century and beyond, because we are the only group of people who has a great memory of the past. Thank you. Namaskar.